Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang status sa petisyon na isinampa ni na Atty. Vic Rodriguez, Congressman Ungab, sa Supreme Court. They're asking the Supreme Court na yung certiorari for petition for certiorari and prohibition, yung constitutionality ng 2025 budget. Okay, so binigyan ng Supreme Court ng 10 days ang Senado, Kamara at Office of the President to comment. Tapos na yung 10 days . So ano nang nangyari? May comment na ba? Sumagot na ba ang administrasyon? Ito, mayroon na tayong update. Lumalabas, nahihirapan ang administrasyon sa pagsagot. Kaya ito, humingi sila ng extension. Ito sa balita ng Philippine Star kahapon. Title, Solgen, Solicitor General. Solgen seeks more time to reply to Supreme Court on 2025 budget case. Itong balita written by Ayan Lucky, Philippine Star, February 23, 2025. So, kahapon ito na-publish. So, basahin ko lang ha. The Office of the Solicitor General said it has requested the Supreme Court for an extension to respond to the petition against the 2025 General Appropriations Act or GAA. The OSG, which serves as the government's legal counsel in the case, filed a motion for an extension of time to submit its comment before the High Tribunal Court on February 21. Siguro itong February 21, ito na ba yung deadline? Kaya nag-seek ng extension ang OSG. Ito ang statement ng OSG. Although the draft of the said comment has already been finished, it is still undergoing further revision and or correction before it can be filed. The OSG motion read. Tapos na. Kaya lang, kailangan pang i-review, i-revise. Yon ang rason ng Solicitor General. So, ganito ang nangyari. The Supreme Court directed the OSG to comment on the petition on February 4. February 4. So, 21. Di ba? Ang nabasa ko noon is 10 days, non-extendable. So, kung non-extendable, bakit nagre-request pa ang OSG ng extension? At pinapayagan ba ito ng Korte Suprema? Yon ang hindi ko alam. So, ang petition was filed on January 27. So, February 4, nag-order na ang Supreme Court sa administration to comment. So, up to now, wala pa rin na-submit na comment dahil nire-review pa daw, nire-revise pa daw ang comment. Okay, so, bakit nagsampa ng petisyon ng grupo ni Atty. Vic Rodriguez? Anong mga rason? Bakit challenge nila ang constitutionality ng budget? Number one na rason is failure to allocate the required funding for PhilHealth. Yung zero subsidy. Bawal daw yun dahil nakapaloob sa batas, Universal Healthcare Act at iba pa. Dapat may subsidy palagi ang PhilHealth. Zero ang subsidy. So, yun. Number one rason bakit unconstitutional. Pangalawa, unauthorized spending increases beyond the President's proposal. So, ang proposal ng Presidente nakapaloob sa National Expenditure Budget, National Expenditure Program, NEP. According to the group of Atty. Vic Rodriguez, hindi pwedeng dagdagan. Pwede lang bawasan. Nadagdagan. So, yun ang second basis. And number 3, prioritization of infrastructure over education. Nakalagay sa konstitusyon, ang pinakamalaking budget should be on the education sector. Itong GAA 2025 o budget, mas malaki ang budget ng DPWH o infrastructure kumpara sa education. So, tatlong rason yan. Tapos, nandyan na rin yung blank items, kasama na dyan yung blank items sa BICAM report. Yan. Rodriguez argued that the GAA was flawed due to the inclusion of blank items in the bicameral conference report. So, February 24 ngayon, mayroon ding order ang Supreme Court sa gobyerno, meaning Senate, Kamara at Office of the President, to submit original copy of enrolled bill at saka yung GAA mismo. Ngayong araw, I don't know kung isasubmit nila. Baka maghingi na naman ng extension. Kasi ang nawawala, ang hinahanap ni na Atty. Vic Rodriguez, yung enrolled bill. So sa pagre-research ni na Atty. Vic Rodriguez, nakita nila walang perma ang enrolled bill. Hindi na permaan ng Speaker of the House, Senate President at Secretary General ng both houses. Okay? So, may preliminary conference sa February 28. I think that was Friday ata or Saturday. Friday. Ngayong Friday, preliminary conference. So, April 1, yun na, magsimula na ang oral arguments. Ibig sabihin, gumugulong na talaga ang proseso. So, sana bilisan ang proseso kasi balita ni Atty. Vic is ilan yun? 65% or 4 trillion pesos ang na-release na out of the budget nga 6.3 to 7 trillion pesos. So, pasalamat tayo kay Atty. Vic Rodriguez, Congressman Ungab sa pagsampa ng petisyon. Okay?